Guys, this is my fourth day. I've been coming here every day since a big time. The moment I come here, I see some fire. So I'm obviously attracted to go there and check what is going on. And unfortunately, if everyone had the same mindset, this crime would have stopped in the first day itself. Alright, I just forgot to mention, the time is 8:45 to be precise, and they start this act in the early mornings, around 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So, do you understand? It's been more than 3 hours, and it's going on since months. So much of pollution, man. Can't believe this, my Lal Bagh, where I used to come in my childhood. I used to come here in my childhood days. I have seen a lot of good, beautiful trees being butchered here, and I remember, there were a lot of foreign birds migrating from different parts of. And I don't see even a single pigeon, crow, vulture, nothing. It's just a desert. I mean, even deserts are fine, but it's just a dump yard. So I don't know why people don't react, why the Lal Bagh management is continuing the same act. Look, they were promoting plastic, man, nothing else. And I see a lot of bottles. Why? Was it really required? Look, Foster's, Kingfisher, Royal Stag, and these bottles, I don't know what is the brand, but I can bet that these are like very cheap liquor. So my question is very simple: why do you oppose this act and entertain these criminals to enter this park and create such a mess? If they can bring in alcohol here, they can do any crime, man. They're capable. They're capable of bringing prostitutes here. They're capable of raping all the youth, college students who come here to enjoy their private moments with their partners. They will do it. These bastards will do it for sure. And is Lal Bagh responsible? Is Lal Bagh accountable? That is my question. See, when they are able to butcher so many trees, I don't believe in them. See, I see at least 50, no, more than 100, man. Trust me. So, I don't think, anybody can come here, push at once and go. It's not a one day affair, it's I don't know, this just going on and on. Somebody needs to do something about this. Please save my Lal Bagh. This is just insane. I've already spoken to the environmental minister, everyone. I called forest department, horticulture department, all the top officials in Vidhan Sabha, and nobody's least bothered, man. So this stuff, I don't know how to deal with this. I'm done. I've shared these videos, everywhere, on Facebook, Twitter. I've even shared these videos to all the foreign organizations like BBC, CNN, but I haven't got a response. So something very strong, man. People are like very selfish. They don't know what they're doing. That's a big loss. Nobody can compensate these things. Okay, look at the citizens. They will not come here. Every day I've come here because I sense a significant loss. And we shouldn't be encouraging these crimes anymore. So with the right mindset, with the right intention, I'm here to capture one more video as usual. But none of my videos are helping save this beautiful botanical park. I just continue with my fight. Help me, lend me your support if you are a true Indian. If not, don't stop me because I'm gonna steer bosses. So don't stop. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna take care of this.